2024 QSBS Vehicles Superpower, the smooth guardians of high-speed adventurers. In the thrilling realm of high-speed driving and daring descents, the QSBS Quantum Sustainable Brake System emerges as the superhero for vehicles. Imagine driving down a highway at exhilarating speeds, suddenly confronted with a sharp turn or urgent situation necessitating a swift stop. The QSBS, a high-friction brake system akin to a superpower, swiftly brings the vehicle to a stable halt, ensuring valuable reaction time and averting potential dangers. Similarly, during traverses on challenging mountain descents, the QSBS becomes the optimal companion. Winding through a serpentine mountain trail, the high-temperature, high-friction brake system acts as a skillful navigator, adeptly controlling speed, smoothly maneuvering through each bend, ensuring a safe and seamless driving experience. This seamless operation not only shines in everyday driving, but also plays a crucial role in emergencies. For instance, when the need to avoid obstacles becomes paramount, the efficient QSBS operates at lightning speed, reminiscent of a superhero, enabling a swift stop during critical moments and creating optimal escape opportunities. Whether on racetracks, on highways, or navigating mountain roads, possessing the exceptional QSBS brake survival kit is akin to fitting your vehicle with a pair of powerful wings. The system, delivering stable and reliable braking performance, crafts a superheroic driving experience for adventurers unafraid of various challenges, ensuring comprehensive protection for both driver and vehicle. Together, we thrive.